Welcome to Bullman Built RC. I am Matt, your favorite YouTuber's least favorite YouTuber, and today I have gotten some things for my Pro. So I'm going to take the things that I got for today. I got some things in the mail over the last couple weeks. I got some things that are October and all this other stuff, and I'm going to take some things out. I'm going to show you some things. That's dirty. Oh, giggity, 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 giggity. Now, for any of you that don't know, we'll do a quick recap. This is my Pro that I got off of a guy up north named Ken. He was selling everything, and I went up there and picked up a few things, and I picked up this Pro. I then took the full cab body that I had here in clear, sent it down to Fish and Bill in Kentucky. He painted it for me and sent it back. I took everything off of the old red body, and I've put it in a tote right here, as I've told you guys I do with almost everything. I got a bunch of totes down here, and every truck has its own tote while I'm building it and everything. Highly suggest it. I got this, I put it all together, and then I've gotten a few things. I got some black fenders for it at Rocktober, and then I got some axles for it as well. Well, I got some axles and then decided it was for it. And then now I have all the trim pieces and everything that I'm going to put back on here, and then we're going to make this all complete again. And then I got these bumpers from RC 4-Wheel Drive. I have no idea what in the hell these things are actually called. Shumai? No, that's Chinese food. Shui something. Shonies? I don't know. Anywho, I got these two bumpers. I bought them both in black and was going to put them on the truck in black. And then they said, hey, we don't have the rear bumper in black. We've made some sort of mistake. Can we send you a silver one, or how do you want to do this? And I said, well, I have access to a sandblaster. Go ahead and just send me the silver rear and the black front. So once I get everything else on there, we are going to go into a small time gap. I'm going to go to sleep, and then I'm going to go to Jordan's tomorrow morning. I'm going to sandblast these. I will show you that. Then we will paint them probably silver, and then I will mount them up and show you that as well, and then we will wrap this bitch up and take it home. So for right now, I'm gonna put the inner fenders on. I'll put the grill on. I'll end up putting these HD44s that I got off my friend Jared. They do have a little bit of runtime, but the covers I believe are clean, so eventually I may swap out the housings, but I'm not real worried about it right now. And then we will install the lights and the radiator and all the little doodads and knickknacks and things like that. So I am going to listen to my friends Lennon and Lucas and their 10 Duro podcast. I highly suggest going and checking that out and put this together. So here we go. Next day, let's go to Jordan's and we'll sandblast the bumpers real fast, and then I'll come back and I will put them, I'll probably paint them, and then I'll put them on, and then I'll do a whole walk around of all the things I did off to Jordan's house. This is basically my Pro put back together. Now, I know some people are going to say, oh, that if it's a Pro, it should be a half cab. I despise the half cab body. I think it's weird. The front doesn't make any sense, and it just looks weird. it looks like it's fallen on its face to me. So I didn't record me painting the bumpers or putting them on. I was doing some other things, and it was really, really insanely windy outside, and I needed both hands to kind of block and everything. So I did get the HD44s under there with the blue covers, and it looks pretty good. It ties into the blue of the main color. I did paint the bumpers silver, and I'm not in love with either one of these bumpers. The front looked better in pictures on RC4 Drive's website than it really does in person. I may end up getting a different front bumper for it. I do like the back. One thing that Jordan pointed out to me that now is stuck in my brain is these little bull bar doodad things. They're not level. They're not parallel. Like, they're everywhere. One of them kind of like does this. The other one just goes out, and then this. So I'll probably end up cutting them both off on each bumper. Maybe that will help the front. I'm not 100% sure. So once I get that done, then I'll go from there. I also thought about taking this bull bar off because it's really only tacked on in a couple little places, but I may just get a different front bumper. I have one that may fit on the way, and if not, I can get the other bumper from RC4 Drive that doesn't match the back but probably looks just as good. I got these because they were matching, and I'm not a big fan. So I did put the handles back on. I've got the windshield wipers on. I put the interior back in. I've got the headlights and the taillights in, and I freaking love this thing. It has the charcoal, dark gray, whatever you want to call it, V1 machetes and the super swampers, and it has the correct shocks that I really hate, but they are right for this. So I think with just a little more detailing maybe on the inside, this thing will be done. And especially for something that's just going to sit on the shelf, it really doesn't matter that much. So that is what I did over the past couple days. I've really taken advantage of how warm it was this weekend, and I'm getting a lot of stuff done, and I've got a lot of projects started and like half videos made because there's just stuff everywhere, and I've been so busy, and I realized this place is a wreck, and I was cleaning it up, but now it's back to just shitstorm. So anywho, so that pretty much wraps it up. Make sure to check out the channel membership. You get to see things a day early, and you get to see behind the scenes stuff. Check out the Instagram and the Facebook page for the channel, Bullman Built RC, across the board. And make sure to check me out Mondays. I usually go live with Jordan and Doug, 7 o'clock Eastern time, whatever time that is for you. And that is all. I appreciate you watching. I will see you later. Bye. I'm not gay no more. I like women. Women.